One of the first things that I had written when I approached the task of how to put this story together and what it would say was, and this may sound, flippant or disrespectful to some, but it was, if only 5 academics read this, then I've failed. At the end of the day, this was an important story. People had been hurt, people had been killed, people had hurt other people. And I knew in my heart that if this were something like almost every other thing that me or most academics write, especially people that aren't well known or recognized, something that only a very small number of academics who themselves are studying it, if they're the only ones that read it at the end of the day, then I would have failed. Because ultimately this is a story that is important enough because it has the potential to impact a much larger audience. And so it was important that it be written in a way and for the purpose of reaching basically anybody who might be interested in coming to a better understanding of why these people did what they did and the problems that we have responding and fixing it.